A simple pendulum takes 32 seconds to complete 20 oscillation. What is the time period of the pendulum? Time period of the pendulum means it is the time taken by the simple pendulum to complete one oscillation. We are going to find that. Total time is given 32 seconds and number of oscillations are also given. It is 20 oscillation. How we can find it? There is an equation for that. The time period of pendulum is the time required to complete one oscillation by a simple pendulum, and equation is total time upon number of oscillation. Total time by number of oscillation. What is total time? Total time is 32 seconds. In that question, total time is 32 seconds and number of oscillations are 20. Then we are substituting that value here. T is equal to 32 upon 20 equal to 1.6 second. The distance between two stations is 240 km. A train takes 4 hours to cover this distance. Calculate the speed of the train. We need to find the speed. Here the distance is given and time is given. Distance is in kilometer and time is in hours. No need to convert anything here. Distance is 240 km, time is 4 hours and speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed equal to distance upon time, then speed will be equal to 240 upon 4 equal to 60 km per hour. 240 by 4 is equal to 60. The odometer of a car reads 57,321 km when the clock shows the time 8:30 am. What is the distance moved by the car if at 8:50 am the odometer reading has changed to 57,336 km? Calculate the speed of the car in km per minute during this time. Express the speed in km per hour also. What is the function of odometer? Here this is the odometer and the initial reading was 57,321. At 8:30 am the reading was 57,321 km. And at 8:50 am the reading changed to 57,336 km. We need to find the speed. Initial reading of odometer is 57,321 km. Final reading 57,336 km. We have two readings here. How we can find the distance travelled by the car? We can find the distance travelled by the car 57,336 minus 57,321. The answer is 15 km. So we can conclude that from 8:30 to 8:50 the car travelled a distance of 15 km. What is the time duration? 8:30 am to 8:50 am. The time duration is 20 minutes, right? 8:30 am to 8:50 am means 20 minutes. So we got time, we got distance. How we can find speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 15 km by 20. It will be 0.75 km per minute. Here we took the distance in kilometer and we took the time in minute. That's the reason for the unit. Unit of this value will be 0.75 km per minute. Distance travelled by the car 15 km. Time duration 8:30 am to 8:50 am 20 minutes. Time duration in hour. How we can convert this time duration in hour? How we can convert minute into hour? Now we are going to find the speed in kilometer per hour. So we need to convert this 20 minute into hour. We can divide it by 60, right? 60 minute means 1 hour. 60 upon 60 equal to 1. Similarly, 20 minutes means 20 by 60 hour. 20 by 60 hour. Now we can find it is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 hour. Now we are substituting this value in this equation. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 15 km upon 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the time. To divide this value, we need to take the multiplicative inverse. We need to take the reciprocal. Then speed will be equal to 15 into 3 by 1. 15 to 3 by 1 is equal to 45 km per hour.